Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you here to the 10th Annual London Law Expo. Your presence here is testament to the strength, resilience and innovation within the legal sector.
I think leadership's an interesting one, isn't it? And I think it becomes really personal to who you are and what your personality type is.
So, for today, we are going to look at economics, regulation, and what is it? Leadership.
This is where the magic happens. This is where we hear from the people who are actually doing this stuff in real life. And not only any old people, but actually the people who are at the top of their game in their big firm.
The legal services sector has been an economic success story over the last 15 years, and that has been enabled actually by a permissive regulatory framework, and the Act that underpins it has allowed new business models to enter the market, provided for competition and put consumers at the heart of it.
Today's been really good. It's been a great day, really buzzy, a lot of delegates going into the sessions, finding a lot of information that they found useful. And it's great for us to be able to speak with potential clients and existing customers, as well as other partners that we also integrate with.
Many firms are dependent on very few people to bring in the work, the so-called rainmakers. So we've got a limited number of people bringing in work, and there's a lot of risk there. We haven't got business development where it is happening integrated into business as usual. It shouldn't just sit in isolation on its own.
Today has been full of decision makers. They've all had good time to spend on the stand. We've had a good set of leads, dozens of meaningful conversations.
There is a fundamental shift in legal work, whether you like to admit it or not.
When things started going wrong, that's when it really became apparent that our culture just hit the floor. I realised cultural change was going to help drive our performance.
There is a lot going on in the global economy. Trying to forecast what's going to happen in the next few months and quarters is getting harder and harder.
AI is a big issue, and firms are asking about it, how they can integrate it into their systems and what it's going to look like in the future.
The day has been great. We've had a really fun day getting to meet some prospective clients and current clients at the London Law Expo.
I think from a lawyer perspective, I just think it means they need to become more generalist whilst retaining, the notion of being an expert.
I think the value in coming to events like this is basically just trying to get your name out there, speaking to new people, connecting with others that you wouldn't have if you wouldn't have come to an event like this.
One of the greatest errors a leader can make is rush a conversation. Whilst it may not be the most important conversation to the leader that day, it's probably going to be the most important conversation to that person.
The most common issue that we see that people bring up is the fact that they're very confused. They don't know exactly what technology to use, and they really want advice from people like ourselves who are lawyers.
You don't press the button, run the AI, and it's ready to go. But it is a massive, massive time-saving and cost-saving exercise.
Imagine if we let the same machine tell the lawyer at the end of the day, here's how you spend your time. What normally would be manual is now automated for you.
No easy answers, but some really fabulous insight and some great ideas about how we might start to do that.
The key thing that came up today was the fact that AI is not going away. It's going to be around for, from now on until the future.
Law exists to serve society, ultimately. So when things happen in society, whether it's political or economic or health, clearly that is going to have some impact on the legal profession and the provision of legal services.